Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to send an Uber Eats gift card in 2025. Whether it's for a friend's birthday, a thoughtful thank you, or just a fun surprise, this process is quicker and more user-friendly than ever. Let's dive right in and get you sending gifts like a pro. First, make sure you have the latest Uber Eats app installed on your device. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and open the app. Once you're in, log in to your account securely. If you're new, sign up, it's fast and free. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon, usually in the top corner of the screen. In 2025, Uber has streamlined things with a prominent Gifts, or Gift Cards, tab. Look for that and select it. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Choose the gift card amount. Options range from $10 to $200 or more, depending on your budget. Uber Eats even suggests popular amounts based on your past orders, making it super easy. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need their email address or phone number linked to an Uber account. If they don't have one, don't worry, they can set it up when they receive the gift. Step 4. Personalize it. Add a custom message to make your gift stand out. Something simple like, "Enjoy a tasty treat on me," can go a long way. Step 5. Review everything on the confirmation page, including the amount and recipient info. Then, hit send. Your payment will be processed from your linked card or account. Double check for any promo codes to save a bit. And just like that, your gift card is on its way. The recipient will get it via email or an in-app notification, ready to use on their next Uber Eats order. One quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like payment glitches, ensure your app is updated and your account is verified. It's that straightforward in 2025. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Until next time, happy gifting.